Our RobotStudio has a new functionality. Now if we wish to replace the robot in our virtual controller, we can easily do that, without the need of recreating the whole system or reconfiguring the controller data. From the Layout browser, right-click on the robot mechanism. From the context menu, select Replace Robot. We can select a robot model from the library to replace the existing robot model with. We also get the option to rename the controller. Let's replace our existing robot model 6710 with another robot model. Let's select a variant of 6730. Click on OK. This would replace the existing 6710 robot model with 6730. The process of replacing the robot will take some time, as RobotStudio is now processing to convert all files and configuration to a new robot. We can see that the robot model is replaced, and the controller data such as rapid modules, motion and signal configuration are kept. This feature is very useful when you would like to test and compare different robot types to see which robot is most suited for the application. This also gives you the possibility to easily replace one robot with another, but keep the program and configurations.